Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot how to fix PS5 controller not turning on. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow: charge the controller. Connect the controller to the PS5 using the official USB-C cable. Allow it to charge for at least 30 minutes. Number 2. Reset the controller. Turn off the PS5 console. Locate the small reset button on the back of the controller near the L2 button. Use a paper clip or similar object to press and hold the reset button for at least 5 seconds. Reconnect the controller to PS5 and press the PS button to repair. Number 3. Update PS5 system software. For this purpose, you have to navigate to Settings, open System Settings, open System Software, and then open System Software Update and Settings. Select Update System Software and follow the on-screen instructions. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.